had to change the batteries. So these are the photos that I just took, and they're going to finish developing. They're not done yet, but it's so cool. It's just so much easier when you can put them in here, and I love it. So I worked on it a little bit while I was in Arizona. I mean, of course I'm going to work on my spreads because I've never done this before. I should probably watch some videos. But these right here are the little frames that go around. And I have my cats. That's Freya and Loki. Loki is always into something. And I think, is that Octavia? This is my brother meeting my daughter for the first time, and she is a beard puller. So this is all of the family. And I'm gonna, you know, do more and stuff. I just having it. This is my niece, Cadence. She loves gum. Like, that's why my gum was in the bag, because I was working on it and she kept asking for gum. And this is a drawing from Paradise while I was in Arizona. So I kept that. That's going to go in here. And this is the rental car that I got. And I have more stuff I'm going to put in here. But I just figured I wanted to show you guys what I have so far. And are there any tips from you guys of like people I should check out like and get ideas from on how to do? Because I know there's a ton of you know, traveler's notebook stuff, but I get a little overwhelmed and I don't know who I should be watching or what's going to help because there's so many. But I wanted to work on like my spreads and get some ideas on how I should do this because I've never done a traveler's notebook, but I do like the size and I do like how much easier it is to just add something in here, and it doesn't have to be like a long process. So I'll probably be doing some more of these after I catch up or do them to catch up or something. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys really fast. So cute. Put these. I'm gonna go get my child because she's fussing. But I hope you guys are doing well. If you'd like to keep up with me or see what I'm working on, you can follow me on Instagram at saysomethingcrafty. I also have a Facebook group called Say Something Crafty. They're kind of linked together, and it's easier for me to talk to you guys. I get your feedback that way better on things that I'm working on. And yeah, so I hope to hear from you guys. I hope you're all doing well. I'll see you next time. Bye.